Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Unique Fashions. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet skirt design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people. I need all the designs that I am sharing with you today or are new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. If you know how to do crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. And you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friend, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So I will some different designs I will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Well, remember in prayer, and bye.